Hi there, students. Cutthroat. Cutthroat, a noun. A cutthroat, a person. Or cutthroat as a modifier. Yeah? Okay, so let's see. A cutthroat is somebody who cuts people's throats, a murderer. Yeah? But we use this as an adjective to say that somebody is unprincipled, they are ruthless. So, cutthroat business, yeah? Advertising is a cutthroat business. It's a dog-eat-dog world, yeah? So there is cutthroat competition, yeah? Extremely fierce, relentless opposition, yeah? There is cutthroat competition between the different competitors in this market, and they will do anything to make the sale. There is cutthroat competition for the jobs that are available. Yeah? Politics is a cutthroat job. Yeah, you could have cutthroat prices. Yeah, extremely low. Yeah, the idea is you're trying to cut the throat of your competitor by making the price impossible to beat. Yeah, so they are offering cutthroat prices. If you cut somebody's throat, you are trying to ruin them. Yeah, if you get in my way, I'm going to cut your throat. Yeah, or doing that could be cutting your own throat, committing suicide. Yeah, so by arriving late at work on various different occasions, you're cutting your own throat. You're not going to get a promotion. Yeah, so to cutthroat, very, very intense competition. Yeah, not considering others, not worrying about the harm caused to other people. Yeah, so the world of advertising is a very cutthroat business. It's very fierce, it's very ferocious. You don't care who you hurt. Yeah, you don't care what happens to the other people that you are in competition with. Yeah, so it's like a metaphorical way of saying you're going to murder them. You're ruthless, merciless, pitiless. Yeah, using cutthroat methods. Yeah, using ruthless methods in a competitive situation. Yeah, so cutthroat practices, cutthroat competition. This is ruthless. Yeah, it's like metaphorical murder. Yes, so a cutthroat competition where the competitors will do anything to eliminate the others. It's totally ruthless, without care. Yeah, it's a cutthroat business, so you can't trust any of the other players involved. Yeah. If you describe a situation as cutthroat, you're saying that the people involved or the companies involved, they want success. The only thing that's important is success, and they don't care if they hurt each other being successful. This has this idea of this dog-eat-dog world, yeah, where the biggest dog wins. The person who is the most ferocious kills all of the other competitors. Yeah, a dog-eat-dog world, cutthroat business. So yeah, the cutthroat world of the legal profession, the cutthroat world of advertising, the cutthroat world of politics, very definitely. Okay, and let's see, so what about formality? I think I'm probably going to give this 4, maybe 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but I wouldn't use it in anything very formal. Yeah, so 4.5, something like that in formality. Yeah. Let's see. The old ladies play cards every Saturday evening, and it's a real cutthroat match. So enough. And as to origin, well, yeah, it's cutting people's throats. It's murdering. It's murderous. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cutthroat.